So in this video I'm going to tell you where to find the necessary files to learn Python. And so what you do is, like, actually it's over here in this URL. So I'll just tell you how to go to this URL. Go to this thing called github.com, and it's a place where you can find a lot of free code, and just type jerry-git, right? So you would see two users, and yeah, go to this one, the one with snake, and you will see something like learn Python tree. Or if you can't see this, just go to this repositories, and you would see something like learn Python 3 over here. And that's the thing. And what you can do is, like, you can clone or download. If you know how to operate with Git, you can use all this URL. Otherwise, you can just download this zip, right? Okay, so let's save this file, right? And I hope it shouldn't take time a lot. So yeah, anyway, meanwhile, let us create a folder over here. Like, let's name it as py2ds. This is the folder where you will work everything, and so that you can keep your file system clean. So hopefully, yeah, it is downloaded. Okay, so it's over here, right? So downloads, it is opened, and if I just double click it, it gets unzipped. So now I can just put this one over here and go to this py2ds and just drag it over here so that it gets unzipped over here, right? So that's how it is. And we'll be using a thing called Jupyter Notebook to learn this Python over here. So go to just py2ds and just put ls, and you can see this folder over here, right? So this thing called Jupyter Notebook is actually Jupyter, it's called as. So it is an excellent tool for data scientists. So just type in Jupyter Notebook, and you will see something gets launched in your browser, right? And you can, okay, just go here, click new Python 3, right? And over here you can start practicing your Python, right? 1 plus 2, right? Press Ctrl Enter, it's 3. Or if you press Shift Enter, you'll also get a new cell. So you can write like 1 star 2, right? So this is Jupyter Notebook, right? And in order to close this, all you need to do is, like, to go to File and Close and Halt. So anyway, let's leave the page, and you can see over here this untitled.pynb, right? Okay, so for some reason what I typed wasn't saved, right? So 1 plus 2 and Shift Enter, right? I press Shift and Enter simultaneously, so 1 star 2, right? Pressing Shift and Enter at the same time, right? Let me just save it, like first Python, right? And press this button to save, right? And let me just finish this off, right? So you can see first Python over here, right? And if I open it, yeah, whatever I've worked, it's over here. So So this is called as Jupyter Notebook. It is a very valuable tool for uh, data scientists, and you will see why in coming videos. And just to get our feet wet more, so just let's go here. So you see a thing called notebooks, a folder called notebooks over here, right? So just go to this beginner and notebooks, right? And so you can see some notebooks over here, right? So where to start from, right? So I think you need to come over here, and strings, I think you need to start from strings, right? So let's go to this thing called strings, that's over here, right? And so you get this notebook, right? So let's so this is how you just launch it. Anyway, you're not doing anything now. All you're just doing is all I'm just doing is telling you like how to gather these examples, so that like we can use them in the future, right? So let's stay in the same page, right? And so that's what Jupyter Notebook is, and let me just close it off. And if you come over here, you see this notebook is still running. Just press Control C, and it'll you need to press Y and enter, and that's it. This notebook will stop, right? So that's how you're supposed to operate this Jupyter Notebook. To launch it again, you can once again type Jupyter Notebook. Actually, in Linux, if you press the up and down arrow, it'll cycle through the commands you have typed before. So that's how it is. And so yeah, that's all for this video. You just need to know where to go and get these examples. And next, let's see it in next example, that is in the next video.